Hello to everyone. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from similar triangles of 10th class. Okay, the question is DEF, DEF are midpoints of sides BC, CA and AB of triangle ABC. Let us draw it first. This is the triangle ABC, A, B and C. Now what is given in the starting of the question? DEF are midpoints of BC, C and AB respectively. That is BC is D, CA is E and AB is F for the midpoints. Now join these midpoints. They formed a triangle again. So what is the question asked? Ratio. We have to find the ratio of this triangle DEF and the total triangle ABC. So to find that, first I am considering two line segments. Okay, two line segments, that is DE parallel to DE parallel to DE is parallel to BF, right? By seeing you can so DE is parallel to BF and DF is transversal if you take. We can say angle. See, if you observe DE is parallel to BF means this is the transversal, means here if you observe DE is parallel to BF and DF is the transversal, then what you can say? Angle DFE means this angle is equals to what? FDB. Since what? What is the reason why these two angles are equal? Since they are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay? Alternate interior angles. So, what you can say? Sides opposite to angles which are equal are also equal. Understood what I wrote? Sides opposite to angles. For these two angles, what are the opposite sides? DFE. For this, what is the opposite side? This is the opposite side. So DE equals what? FDB. FDB. So for this, what is the opposite side? BF. Understood? So by this, what we can say? Therefore, DE parallel to BF and also equal to each other. So we can say BDEF is a parallelogram. Okay. Now, if you take DE equals to BF, what you observe here? BF. What is BF? Actually, AB is equals to, from triangle ABC, okay, from triangle ABC, what we can write? AB equals to AF plus FB, right? But what we know? AF equals to FB, since F is midpoint of AB. Therefore, what we can write? AB equals to FB plus FB we can write, no? Which is equals to 2FB, which implies FB equals to, or BF equals to half AB. So use this and specify here what? DE equals to half AB. This is 1. If you take this as A, from A. Understood? Next, coming to next, take this part. Here DF is parallel to EC, right? DF parallel to EC and DE is transversal. So by this what you can say? Therefore, DE is transversal. These two are parallel, right? In that sense, if you take this angle and this angle are equal, means FED angle FED is equals to angle EDC. What is the reason again? Since alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So again, sides opposite these two angles are also equal. Therefore, we can say FED opposite side is DF, which is equals to EDC opposite side is EC. Okay. Again, from triangle ABC, what we can say? AC equals to AE plus EC, but AE equals to EC since E is midpoint of AC. So AC is equals to EC plus EC, which is equals to half EC. Therefore, EC equals to, sorry, this is 2EC, half AC. So by this, from B, what we can say? We can say DF equals to half AC. Take this as second one, second equation. Okay. Now, what we have to find? Ratio of area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC, which is equals to half into base into height, no? So here we have drawn the figure like this. So here we can take a DE as the base and DF as height. So half DE into DF by half into, for the triangle ABC, what you can take the basis as AB base, AC is height. Like that you can take, right? AB into AC. So first these two are get cancelled. But we know, what we know? D equals to half AB and DF equals to half, D equals to half AC, DF equals to half AB. Now substitute these values in this. Area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC is equals to, what is DE? Half into AC into DF, what? Half into AB by AB into AC. These two get cancelled. What left? Okay. Cancelled, what left? Area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC equals to 1 by 4, which is equals to 1 is to 4. This is the ratio of both triangles areas. If you have any doubts or corrections or suggestions, specify that in the comment section. Okay.